What's going on YouTube? Tech4000 here, and today we have another unboxing for you guys. So, I want to thank very quickly Elmule3 he's another YouTuber by the way, go check him out for suggesting this to me, or at least letting me come across this great video on this particular thing. So, if you guys don't know, I am a mechanical keyboard enthusiast. I love my clicky keys. They just feel so nice. Again, they feel nice, they sound nice, and they make me type faster. And I've wanted a mechanical keyboard for my MacBook for a little while, but unfortunately all the ones I own are either too big, or they're missing the keys. It's mostly because the only keyboards really missing the keys I need is my Model M. That and my other mechanical keyboard, my Dell G84-4100, which I also got from Elmule. Again, I didn't get this from Elmule, by the way, I got this from eBay. But that one, you have to use an adapter, and the adapter is very bulky, so it's another concern. So, this is one of the only small form factor, low profile mechanical keyboards you can pretty much get. And I had to get a specific one because, again, if I'm going to be using it for my MacBook, then I need something with at least Windows keys. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Now keep in mind this is brand new, according to the listing, so hopefully that's actually true. Alright, hopefully that's enough for me to get this open. There we go. Alright. And we have a box in the box. Again, this is a pretty much a brand new keyboard. So there is bubble wrap in the keyboard itself. Separator, I think, in here. It's just some other piece of cardboard attached to the box, but let's go ahead and get this. So again, this is a mechanical keyboard. Now it's using what's called Cherry ML switches, which are, again, specifically designed for low-profile keyboards. So it's not your Cherry MX switches you tend to see on your typical mechanical keyboard, because those need to be raised higher in typical configurations. So, unless they're modified in some way. Okay, here we go. And here is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it has 2 Windows keys, which will be, of course, using as command keys. Again, the original keyboard not only was in beige, this one's in black, as you can probably tell, but also it didn't have Windows keys, only had function keys. And again, on Mac, command keys are pretty damn important, if I do say so myself. Alright, so there is the keyboard. And here is some documentation, which looks like is mostly in German, Spanish. Okay, there is an English option, but it's actually inside, so. But yeah, so there's that, and that's pretty much about it. Very bare bones, which is fine. I don't know if these are sold retail typically. I think these are more or less for professionals. So, for like a, I don't know what kind of setup you call it, but yeah, there is the keyboard itself. The keep that right here. Now the seller did say this is brand new. It probably is, but I did notice they opened it up to, kind of take a picture of it, I guess to test it out maybe as well. Comes with a PS2 to USB adapter, or USB to PS2 adapter, I should really say. So if you have an older keyboard, or older PC I should say, sorry, or your computer supports it, and I guess if you want NKey rollover, because I think by default PS2 supports NKey rollover, then you have that. But obviously I'm going to be using USB because it's all the MacBook supports. Unless I get a Thunderbolt adapter for some stupid reason, but there's that. And here is the keyboard itself. So again, as you can see, low profile, especially compared to your typical Cherry keyboard. And then in the back, you have some information, serial numbers, Cherry ML. So yeah, it is Cherry ML, and 4100 USB, made in Czech Republic. Again, Cherry is a German manufacturer, if you guys don't know. And does it have feet? Yes, it does. That's nice. As you can see, this is a very tiny keyboard. Again, no number or 10 key, I should say. This is a 10 keyless keyboard. and it is also a compact keyboard. I don't know what you'd compare it with. Some other mechanical keyboard enthusiasts or keyboard enthusiasts in general, please let me know. I'm not the best with the terms. Don't know if that's considered 60% or what, but yeah, so let's go ahead and feel how they type, because I was typing on a little bit and just like poking at it when I was trying to unbox it, and it just kind of feels like membranes when doing that, but obviously it's not really a good representation. So let's go ahead and I guess feel how it types to me. Okay, so they feel like a mechanical keyboard. It's definitely not membrane switches. They do feel better than that. Does it feel like cherries, like MX Blues, for instance, or Browns, which are the two I've tried out personally before? Not really. Definitely does have a different feel. It does feel a bit heavier, in my personal opinion. Also, I'm not really caring much for this very short spacebar personally, because I don't touch type, so typically it's actually my index finger that kind of uses the space, so reaching down here and then also getting caught up in other fingers is kind of awkward, but hopefully that's just something I can get used to. So of course the Windows key Q, which is one we use for command, feels pretty natural. You got FN keys for F11 and 12 as well as a few other. I'm assuming if you press FN you can also do the number pad if you so want to. Obviously I'm going to not use the number pad because it just kind of, I don't know, for my MacBook I don't really think I'm going to need it unless it's maybe throwing things in Excel, I don't know. But yeah, so hopefully this works out just fine. Again, it's very compact. It's not the thinnest guy in the world. It's definitely no Apple keyboard, but it's definitely more portable than any other keyboard I own. That includes membrane, so there's that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I will be back soon with another video. Peace out.